Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine Silva and I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, and organization. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Today's video is going to be all about planning for the weekend. So today it is Sunday. It's 2:51 right now, and I want to prep for the upcoming week. So the upcoming week is a pretty exciting one because it is the last week before I begin my speech pathology assistant program. If you guys don't know what speech pathology is, it's basically working with students who have language disorders, speech impediments, and whatnot. So I'm going to be doing the assistant program, which is assisting the speech pathologist. So that's very exciting. I am going to be documenting it and hopefully vlogging it for you guys and answering any type of questions. If any of you guys have any questions about speech pathology and how to get into the assistant program and what I did to get into one, and how basically it all works out and how I'm coping with figuring out the field itself. So with that being said, so next week is mostly just prepping for that to begin. I have a couple of things that I have actually a lot of things I have to do next week. So I have a long list of things that I want to do tomorrow, Monday, because it's the start of the new week. I want to just get things over with, and then as the week goes by, obviously like the less amount of tasks that I have to do, but mostly the amount of things that I usually have to do is always on Mondays. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get started with filling out the weeks, and then we'll get into the whole meal prepping and just any other little tasks for my business that I have to do. So let's open up to the week that we are in currently. So tomorrow is going to be the 22nd of March. So we're hitting up almost the last week of March, second to last week. So I usually, when it comes to figuring out what I'm going to be doing each day, what I like to do is I like to put sticky notes, fill out the general main things that I want to get done on the day, like bigger tasks, any other smaller tasks, like routines that I do daily. I don't really write those in, but the specific things that I have to do on that specific day is what I write down. So for Monday, I have to oh, that one does not work. I literally have not written in pencil in like forever. So I have to call my nutritionist on Monday. So this is the stuff that I have to do on Monday, which is call the nutritionist, call for fingerprinting, and email supervisor with update. Oh, and my YouTube video goes live, so I need to promote that. So that's on Monday. On Tuesday, I want to set a schedule with the supervisor if I haven't already, and if I do, then I want to make a schedule tracker, because with the program that I'm doing, there has to be a different set of hours that I have to do for observations, that I have to do with direct client treatment. I also have to do, I believe, is another 5 hours of administrative task work. So I want to set a schedule and then set what days I want to do which hours, and just make sure that I'm keeping track on that. So I want to make a schedule tracker to make sure that I'm on track for that. So that is Tuesday. I also need to film video for Wednesday. So that's Tuesday. Wednesday, I need to, this is when the week starts to become less of a week, if that makes any sense. Not film, but upload. Okay, so that's all I have to do on Wednesday. Thursday, I have to make Etsy product. And then Friday, it is going to be Etsy product launch day. Promote it. And then Saturday and Sunday is mostly going to be prep day, especially because I am going to be starting my program next week. So that will be exciting. So I'm going to write prep for the first day of Slippa program. And that's going to be all weekend long. Okay, so that's really exciting. Like I said, usually my heavy days are on Monday. I have more stuff to do than I do the rest of the week. So that's exciting. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and meal prep for the week. Because I feel like this week is going to be very essential for me to... It's going to be very essential for me to have meals ready to go and have meals out of the way and not in the way of trying to figure out what to eat, because figuring out what to eat 3 times a day is kind of tiring, and so this lessens the amount of times that I have to make a decision. So I'm going to go ahead and look up recipes on what it is that I want to make, or have things ready to go on what it is that I want to make. So that's it for my planner. So this is the menu card that I have. If you guys want this menu card, you guys can get this on my Etsy shop. I have it for I think about $3.20 on my Etsy page, and you get 4 on one page, so that's 4 months. I'm sorry, you get 4 on one page, so that's a month worth of menu cards. But the good thing is that you only pay for it once and you don't have to pay for it again, so you can print it off as many times as you want to. So it's just a one-time purchase and you're good to go. So this upcoming week is going to be the week of the 22nd to the 28th. So I'm gonna write that in. I'm gonna write that in with my pen. Okay, so 22nd to the 28th. Now for breakfast, I usually have the same things every day. It's eggs, bacon, and toast. I feel like when it comes to breakfast, anytime that you go out anywhere, most of the time you're always ordering the same thing, which is egg, bacon, and toast. So I'm like, why spend money out when I can just eat it at home and I can make it delicious? So it's gonna be the same thing every day. Okay. So eggs, bacon, and toast all the way through. For lunch and dinner, I'm going to look up recipes just so that I can have them, just so I can try new recipes, because I've been making usually the same thing all the time. I'm gonna look for recipes and then I will come back and let you know what recipes I will be making for the remainder of the week. So I will be right back. So I have figured out majority of the meals that I want to cook. So far this is all for lunch. I know what I'm going to be making for dinner as well. So I'm going to go ahead and write these things in. So for one, I'm going to be making chipotle shrimp with Spanish rice for lunch on tomorrow. And then for dinner, I'm going to be having garlic butter shrimp. that is the menu for the week next week. I'm gonna go ahead and write in the stuff that I need, which is right here. These are the recipes that I'm going to need, but I'm also going to write a whole list of things that I'm going to need. So I'm going to go to my refrigerator, figure out what I need and what I don't need from my menu list, and from what I have here. So whatever I do need to make these recipes, I usually write it in the back as my little shopping list for the week, so I'm not wasting a lot of stuff. And if I need extra space, I could always just write it on the sticky note and stick it in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna figure out what it is that I need from the grocery store and go to do that right now. But this is where the video ends for me prepping for the upcoming week. So if you guys like this type of video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.